Yeah, WR250R. Got it all supermotoed. The gold with the forks. I don't know, let me know what you think. Alright. First impressions of the supermoto WR250R right now. I can definitely put my feet down. I'm going to turn here. On these 17-inch wheels, the seat height is a little lower, but as you can tell, I'm kind of got both feet on the ground, not flat-footed, but I do feel a lot more comfortable at the lights, not doing the tripod thing. But yeah, so far I'm digging it. Let me just cruise around a little bit more. Anyways, some good things about the supermoto trim here. I like how this turned out. I guess at first glance it looks like a DRZ with the gold rims, but it is certainly not. This is WR250R converted to supermoto with Warp 9 17-inch wheels. But I can't wait to take this thing on the twisties later on when it's nice. But I think this thing is looking sweet. That's what I love about these WR250Rs, man. It's like two bikes in one. Just a couple weeks ago I was out in the trails doing hill climbs, whoops, jumps, switched out the shoes, and now I'm riding street, albeit it's a little wet, but that's not stopping me. Just gonna have fun, man. Anyways, I'm glad I'm riding street with road tires and not supermoto, not knobbies. Black WR250R on the twisties today. I'll just go do this. Huh, looks like I wet my seat. Oh, this is so nice. What a nice day for a ride. Man, these supermoto wheels, I really want to just carve up these turns. Definitely a different experience. Definitely feel like this bike wants to lean more on these turns. It's going to take a lot of practice before I get to that point. But yeah, the slicks are a lot better. Yeah, slicks are a lot better on these twisties for sure. I'll take it slow though. On a blind turn. Well, I know in Google Maps this road kind of leads into the canyon, and there's a winery here, a vineyard. So just thought I'd check it out. Next 4 miles. All right. Sounds good to me. Twisties for the next 4 miles. Fucking shit, dude. That's a good thing. On my side of the road. Stay on this side of the road. Could be a Mack truck on the other side of this corner. I'm glad this doesn't have like a obnoxiously loud pipe, because definitely want to be respectful of these people that live here. Definitely feels like it's at home on the road or on the street. I wonder if the locals like give a shit about bikers that come in through here. I'm sure a lot of bikers come in through here. Oh, this is sweet. There's another big ass truck. Pretty fortunate to have two WR250Rs in my garage. You know, my thought process was initially buy the WR, it's two bikes in one, just swap out the wheels. Now I find myself with two WRs, one with enduro setup and one with supermoto setup. So pretty happy with both. Not sure how long I'm going to have both of these bikes, but I'm going to enjoy them while I can. Take some twisties, some old. These wheels are like made for this kind of curviness. Turn on the heated grips. Sure. That looks like a twisty, but I'm sure I could take that with a straight line. Oh, look at that ride. Sweet, man. All right. Somebody went down over there. Well, that was pretty fun. One thing I learned is on the blind turns, you gotta be really careful because you don't know what the fuck is on the other side of those turns. Second thing I learned is supermoto wheels are fucking awesome.